is our first location. This is behind the scenes of California coast. I've never been here. This is Chris' first time being here. So throughout the whole video, I'm just going to show you guys how I make drone videos. It does take me about it takes about like a month and a half for me to do one video, believe it or not, for driving to locations and the time, weather, all that other good stuff. But I'm gonna keep it short and sweet, and let's get to it. All right, 2 shots, well actually 3 shots I'm gonna do here. Do one coming out of that cave, drone coming out this way, show like a reveal of the whole rock. This one I'm gonna do probably like about 5 minutes or so, and I'm gonna do another shot. The drone is going up and the camera is straight down. So let's go to work. First takeoff. Precious. You said it? The one day I don't bring my spare propellers, this happens.
Take a video of it spinning. You should have taken it, it wasn't taking off.
So now I gotta drive back here another day just to get this shot. This is what happens when you're not prepared and you have to go on with the plan.
It's unfortunate.
So the way it happened, a wheel got stuck in between propeller and it broke it. So yeah, when I come back on Saturday, this will be my second location. I wanted to get like 8 shots for today, but when I go back Saturday, I won't even get 4 or 5. This is what happens, you know. It's not the first time my drone broke. The drone broke probably like, I went through like 4 drones already. So my Spark is in the shop, the Karma, I had to send back once. You know, the show goes on, you know. I'm not sad about it, not mad about it. Gotta learn from your mistakes, that's it. Today,
it's all bad for you today.
Today is just not the day to film.
Is it video or is it taking pictures?
It's videoing.
Oh, that's funny.
Alright, I want to give you guys a little update what happened. So, the Karma is done for. I bought a new drone, bought a Mavic Air, and I'm back at this location again. So I'm gonna fly the drone like an orbit around it. And then there's a cave over there. I'm just gonna do like 1 shot coming this way. So my Spark is back from the shop and my Karma is done for. So let's get on with this video. Last place I was at, my Spark went into it like a wave, so the Spark is out again. Hopefully I gotta dry it up and hopefully it works again. But right now I'm at Santa Cruz Beach Boulevard. I'm gonna do a couple shots. Just gonna do like a up and down shot here and probably like a sideways shot and maybe something on that side, and then I'm gonna do a sideways shot just going this way. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next location. I'm not sure what else I'm gonna do. Stay tuned. yeah, that's pretty much it. 'Cause, you know, it's super windy here. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but so there's an orbit around here. I'm hoping to get like a drone shot of these surfers catching the waves and stuff, but see how it goes. We spent about 2 hours here just to catch a good wave. Let's get to it.